that, you can divide the task, who will record what, okay? And then what you do is take responsibility, ask for their pieces of video and merge it into one, and then you have to send it to me, okay? And in the beginning it should contain the introduction about all the members of the group, what you are doing, what is the purpose of this video, whether it is for your project or any, it's for your project, so you will specify that you will specify the subject, okay? And you are doing it for half yearly exam, so these details you have to read out in the beginning. Yes, Krishanshu Kori, what about your project? Krishanshu, unmute yourself and answer the question, please. Can you hear me, Krishanshu? Not the book management one, dear. It's about the project work which you have. Okay, fine. You can answer through the chat itself. It's about the project work. I had posted about the project work long ago in the group, that by the end of the year you have to create a minor project, okay, which should involve your Python programming, all the concepts you have learned in 11th and 12th about Python, and it should involve MySQL connectivity also. Were you sleeping all this time? You have to submit its video, whatever you have done so far, you have to submit its video, a 30 seconds to 1 minute video you have to submit for your half yearly exam. Please find it out from the others in your group. Next is Shashwat Tripurwar. No, Krishanshu, take somebody who is left out in the group. Take Shivam Rai. I'll say, I'll talk to him. Okay. Take a few members. You can have maximum 3 members in the group, students. Okay. So you can take someone along with you. Any 2 students you can take, and make sure that they work. Asani, they shouldn't be freeloaders in the group. That is only one person doing the work and others sitting. Just report to me, all of you. Listen very carefully. If there you feel that the other members in your group are freeloaders, just let me know. Okay. I don't want to see only one person doing the work. Everybody has to contribute to it, right? Okay. What about you, Rajdeep Datta?
Ma'am, I'm not in any group. Ma'am, actually I asked Krishna and
Did you start with your project?
no, ma'am.
Why? I'm going to give you 0 for your project, Rajdeep. If you are not sending me at least half of your project should have been complete, and you had to send me a 1 minute video, 30 seconds to 1 minute video of what you have done. You have studied Python connectivity with MySQL, right? You have studied all the concepts of Python. And we had also started, I had also explained that small book management project. And long back, I had specified in the group also. You want to lose your project marks? It's your choice. Then don't blame the teachers, Rajdeep.
Ma'am, I'll do it.
No, I'll do it. Wait. What you are going to do it now? Krishanshu, Kori, Rajdeep. You both are one group then. Coordinate amongst yourself and divide the work and decide the project work, or ये 25th तक, 25th September is the last day. 25 तारीख तक रेडी करो और मुझे उसका वीडियो बना के भेजो. Okay, Krishanshu Kori, Rajdeep Datta, and one more I'll find. I'll add that person in the group, divide the work and send it to me. Am I clear to both of you? Just give me a yes. Krishanshu has given me the confirmation. Rajdeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. This is height of negligence. Okay. Being class 12 students, you cannot take things lightly like that. Okay. Shashwat Tripurwar, I want, because you joined late, just a small question. Are you contributing equally into your project? I heard that you are
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Ashwarya's group. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please take, you will have to create a 30 seconds to 1 minute video. All members of the group have to contribute to it. Okay, सबको मिलके काम करना है. So appoint one group leader, and that group leader is going to see to it that all the members are working. So I already
Yes, ma'am.
think,
As what I told me that.
yes. So please stay in touch with each other and coordinate with each other and do the needful. And second installment of your project has also been sent, and yesterday I also sent you a link where you have to upload the PDFs of your practical file. Okay, please upload all your PDFs there. Right, don't send me, because in WhatsApp what happens is there are a lot many groups and so many messages I keep on getting. So there is a possibility I might miss out on any one of the projects. So please upload it in the specific location. I have given one separate location for assignment file 1, and I have given a separate location for assignment file 2. Okay, तो जहाँ पे मैंने जो specific location दिया है वहीं पे upload करें. Is that clear? Then yes, Yachna Meena is there. Yachna, you can use the chat option and you can talk to me if your mic is not working. Yachna, I am putting you with in Anshika's group. Okay, so you and Anshika will work together. Don't send me. Acha, yes, fine. So you and Anshika, you both are going to work together, right? Anshika doesn't have a group, and you also, I heard that you don't have a group. So both of you will work together on the project, right? Fine. So this is done. We'll start with today's class. Okay, so we start with this question first. The investiture ceremony is a prestigious event in every school's calendar, wherein the school formally enters. Now this is a higher order thinking skill question, okay? Programming question. This will be a menu driven question. So I will explain the logic, you will code it yourself, okay? And with this, you, all those who have not yet decided about the project, you might get some idea about your project also. This small thing, this question uses simple lists. You can extend this to include your databases also into this. You can include connectivity also into this. Okay, students, Python MySQL connectivity is mandatory for your project. You can also use your file handling over here, and you can develop this into a full-fledged project. Is it clear? So at my school, the list STL stores the names of all the students of class 11 who have applied for the various school leader posts. Out of these, school leaders will be selected. Schools need to register their name through an online application form available on school's website. Ideally, the name should be in the form such that first name and last name have their first letter capitalized and rest of the letters in lowercase. But not all students are careful when entering their names. So the names can appear with incorrectly capitalized letters. For example, you can see the example over here. We have Misha Jain is correct. Khushi Khan, this is wrong. Raman Singh is correct. Yashi Shergill, this is also wrong. The thing is, first letter should be capital. Okay, that is simple thing. Whatever the name is, it's a string, right? Dot capitalize function has to be used to make it correct. So write a program that provides functions for, now 3 different points are there. First one, selecting only those correctly entered entries where the first letters of the first name and last name are capitalized. I am only going to discuss the logic here. Okay, you will be coding it yourself. Selecting only those correctly entered entries. Now, because you people are busy with your project work, practical assignment file, okay? So once you complete that important thing, your first priority should be to complete all the documents which are to be submitted on or before 25th. वो काम पहले करना है. And understand this right now, because this session is already getting recorded. Once you are free from all that, you have to immediately take up this one. And I am giving one topic to this group, that is Rajdeep and Krishanshu Kori. You can create something using this investiture ceremony. Okay, तो ये टॉपिक ले लो और खुद दोनों मिलके बैठकर you can perform some online. See, you people can yourself also do some online meetings. Okay, and you can brainstorm about what all things you are going to include in your project, what all modules it will have, okay, which all functions it will have. So you can decide and you can divide the work and start working, and I will be giving you one more student, okay, to do the work. Fine. So selecting only those correctly entered entries where the first letters of first name and last name are capitalized. So firstly, you have to create a function which will only which will collect the correct entries, right? So one function we will be having def collect correct entries. And to this function, you are going to pass the list STL. Okay, what you will be writing over here? Can anyone tell me what logic you will be using? Okay, because I have given this to Rajdeep and Krishanshu. You both only tell me. Yes, Rajdeep, what logic can you use? You have to select. Now you will be getting a list like this, okay, which will contain names. Now those names could be in the correct format. They could be in the incorrect format. You have to collect entries which are correct. And we already saw which are the correct entries, those which have the first letter capital, both first name and last name. So how are you going to proceed with this?
First we'll check the first letter.
You'll simply start with the first letter of what? All you have is STL, that is the list. आपके पास अभी सिर्फ list है. So the first thing which you need to do is create an empty list for first of all. So I can create a correct list or correct list named correct names, which will be an empty list which will contain the list of all the correct names. Fine. Now you have to start accessing every member of the list. What will you use for this? Every member of the list, STL.
For loop.
एक एक करके check करोगे ना? हाँ. For, then speak out the exact thing.
For X in STL.
Can I take it like this? For entry in STL, each entry will refer to one name, this full name.
Yes, sir.
Nisha Jain is one of the entries. Okay. Kushi Khan is one of the entries. Now you have to check. Yes, Krishanshu, can you tell me how will you check? Send me your answers through chat. If में क्या condition लगाएंगे? तो सबसे पहले तो if नहीं करते हैं. We are going to. Now you can very well see over here that names, both first name and last name, they are separated by a space. Okay. And it could also be like any name. I have a student in class 9. His name is this. Many students are there who have a middle name also. That means how many spaces? 2 spaces. Okay. So you will have to create an intermediate list which contains each of these names. That is, I'll create one name. This is one person's name. Okay. Or you can just change it and make it as, you can write here, person. Person equals, I was just checking the tip. Okay. So person equals entry, you'll use a function split over here. And you will split the entry based on what? Spaces. So person will be, it will become a list which contains the three things. If there are three names, it will contain three names. If there are two names, it will contain two names. So it will be like this. Now it will be easy for you to check the first letter. So how will you do it? If now you will again run a loop for, you can take say X in person. If X dot, or you can take X0 dot is upper. Okay, if X0 dot is upper, what do you mean by this? X in person, I have changed. First I created person, which is a list, by splitting the name. Okay, I'll be having the names like this. If it is Misha Jain, then you will get person as this, Misha Jain, like this, where this is the 0th element, this is the first element. Now I am also using another for loop here for X in person, that is individual entries. X, first it will be Misha. So if X0, that is if Misha 0, X is the string which is pointing to Misha now. So if X0 means the first letter is uppercase, then what we'll do? Tell me. इतना तो लिख लिया. Now see, what you can do over here is you can take a small flag variable, correct equals false. Okay, I've taken a small variable correct and I have given it the value. So I'm going to write here, if it is upper, fine, I'll just write pass, because it is already sorry, not pass, I will write correct equals true. Okay, so I wrote correct equals true. If all the values, that is all these, if it is Misha Jain, both Misha and Jain, if they are true, if they are capital letters, that means correct equals true. If suppose first one, if I am taking it as this, Khushi Khan, so I am taking the values in this way. You can see the first K, this is not capital, okay, this is small letter I have specified here. I think it's getting too crowded. Wait. I will do one thing. I will delete everything from here and I'm going to type it here. We type here collect correct entry. And I'm passing STL. Now, next what I'm going to do over here is I have to create a list known as correct, and it is an empty list for entry in STL. Okay. So for entry in STL, I had written, I'm just writing everything back over here. Person equals entry dot split space. Okay, then I had written for X in, or I can simply take for name in person. If name 0 dot is upper. Here I had written, okay, I'll not take this as correct, I'll take correct entry. And here I am taking correct equals true. And here right before this, every time the loop starts, correct will be false. Fine. So correct is equal to true. So if name 0 every time, the person is what? Person, I'll just repeat everything. You can see from here that we have correct entry, which is an empty list, so I'm not writing that. STL contains these names. So I'm taking the first one as Ajay Vikram Singh. Now you can see that Ajay is correct, Vikram is wrong, Singh is correct. Okay. I'm taking Khushi Khan, both are correct. I'm taking Amit Raj, this is incorrect. And let me take something else. This is also correct. So 4 names are there. When I say for entry in STL, that is first it's going to take up what? Ajay Vikram Singh. Correct is equal to false. Next is person equals entry dot split. That means person will be a list containing the individual parts of the names. Fine. Now, for name in person. So we'll take the first name, that is Ajay. Name 0 means this A. If it is uppercase, correct is equal to true. So now correct becomes what? True. Next time again for name in person, that is Vikram. Okay. So here I'll have to write so here I will write else correct equals false and break. The moment you get one incorrect spelling or one incorrect, that is all small letter or all capital letter word, then you have to break the loop, because I don't want this correct to be changed, because the first one was correct, it was true, right? Second one was incorrect, तो आगे मुझे देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, so correct, set correct equals false and break out of the loop, right? So once this is done, I'll come out. So for name in person, now I am out of this loop. What should I do after this? I will be adding this list. Should I add this name to the correct entry? No. I will check. If correct, everything is still under this outer for loop. Okay, understand this. If correct is equal to true, only when correct is true, then I have to add that name, that is entry, to correct entry. So I'll write correct entry dot append dot entry. And finally at the end, I am going to return what? Correct entry. Do the dry run and see. So we were doing this, we'll do the dry run using this only. So it found the next one, that is Vikram for name in person, that is this one. So is it uppercase? No. So we'll come to the else part. Now correct will become what? False. And it will break the loop. That is, this is an inner loop. Please note the loops. Okay, please note the program blocks over here. I have mentioned it. So it will come out of this loop and it will come to this statement. If correct equals true, true correct है क्या? नहीं है. So nothing will happen. Okay. No entry will get added to correct entry. Correct entry is still empty. Come to the next entry now. Okay. So next entry is what? Khushi Khan. Set correct equals to false. So it is already false here. person, if you want you can skip this. I am writing optional over here because already we are setting the values for correct over here. Person equals entry dot split. So now person will become what? Khushi and Khan. Now here both are correct. K is capital, K is capital. Okay. For name in person, Khushi in person. Okay. If name 0 is upper, yes, correct equals to true. So correct is true. Okay. Next, go to Khan. If it is upper, yes, correct will still remain true. Okay. Fine. And finally, the loop will automatically exit. Why? Because we had only 2 elements in the list and it has completed its iteration. So come back over here. If correct is true, yes. Correct entry dot append entry. So correct entry will contain, it will get this added. That is Khushi Khan will be added to correct entry. Fine. Now I don't have much space over here, so I'm not writing it separately. Next entry, Amit Raj. See the dry run. Again, correct will start with false. Okay, person equals entry dot split. So Amit and Raj, they both will be added. First one is correct. So correct will be what? It will be set to true, right? Else correct equals false. Sorry. Next, this one is done, right? Correct equals to true. And then again, I'll go back to the name, next one. So here correct will be false and break. So now correct is what? False. If correct equals true, no. So nothing will happen. So this will also be skipped. This one was already skipped. Now next is for entry, the last entry, that is Amit Kushwaha. So here also it will be split and it will be like this. Because both have capital letters in the beginning, so correct will be true and this entry will be added. So correct entry at the end will contain these two things, Khushi Khan and Amit Kushwaha, both these list items. Is this clear to everyone? Only this function. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we are going to see the next part of this. Selecting only the incorrectly entered names. Now, how will you select the incorrectly entered names? Now, this was a separate function. In this function itself, for all those entries where you are getting correct equals false. Okay, right in the beginning, you can create something like either you, now because in the question it is specified that you have to create a separate function. तो अब ये सारा काम आपको करना है. Only thing you have to do it for the incorrect entry. So you will be doing it in another function. So right now I am giving you all 2 minutes time. Okay, within 2 minutes you are going to code the second function and send it to me in Teams. Okay, Teams chat. Wait a second, let me first set the time. So I'm giving you all 2 minutes. Yes, your time starts now. Here you have to make a collection of all the incorrect entries. करेक्ट एंट्री की लिस्ट आपने अलग से बना ली, अब इनकरेक्ट एंट्रीज की लिस्ट बनानी है. एवरीथिंग विल बी द सेम. ऊपर करेक्ट एंट्री की जगह हो जाएगा इनकरेक्ट एंट्री. इफ करेक्ट इक्वल्स फॉल्स, करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट एंट्री डॉट अपेंड एंट्री. बस ये 2 लाइनें चेंज होंगी, बाकी सब कुछ सेम रहेगा. Those who complete this, they can do work on the third function. The third function says that all the incorrect entries are to be corrected and the final list containing both correct and incorrect, corrected incorrect entries should be displayed. Final list जो एक तीसरा function आप बनाओगे जिसमें पूरी list display होगी, सारे names करेक्ट होने चाहिए उसमें, मीन्स कैपिटलाइज्ड. Yes. Tell me who all have completed. Send your answers. We'll discuss the third part. This is simple. Next is returning a list with corrected names. Okay, that is, I'll just show you the output of this question. Take a look over here. ऐसा मिलना चाहिए. Corrected and correctly entered names. This list is being displayed here. Incorrectly entered names. Okay, and corrected names. And that too in the same order in which they were entered. Okay, Misha Jain first, then Kushi Khan, then Raman Singh, then Yashi Shergill. So it is displayed in that order itself. Incorrectly entered names तो हमने कर लिया. What about the last part? So we will be discussing about the last part over here. So let's take this. Okay. अब क्या करेंगे? We'll take def get correct list. Okay. Remember, all the three functions are working separately. We could have completed everything within one function itself, but because it is specified in the question, so we have taken it separately. Now over here, what we are going to take is we will follow the same method. So we are taking for entry in STL. Now this entry, I will be changing this into person. So person equals entry dot split, splitted by a space. Or name in person. If name 0 dot is lower, second. Students, two things have to. What about this case when somebody enters a name in all capital letters? This is also wrong. Okay, so we have to consider both ways. First letter, we will check for first letter being capital. So in those functions, please add this next condition which I am going to write here. Rest of the letters have to be small. ये composite condition हमें check करना है, right? So we will be checking this composite condition. If is name 0 dot is upper and okay, I'm just going to do some hit and trial, okay? We can do one thing. We can take a string. Students, just do the dry run and see if you are getting the correct result from this, and just tell me if some changes are needed. Of course, we don't need to return STL because STL is a list. It's mutable, so changes will already be reflected in the global area. Just do the dry run and see. Do the dry run for these values. There is a space here. Yes, do the dry run for these values and tell me. I think there is one. I think I don't need this. ये काम करेंगे तो भी हो जाएगा. Let's do the dry run and see. So we have this list with us, okay? So for j comma entry in enumerate STL, that is, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So the first one we have taken, that is Ajay Vikram Singh. This is our entry, right? Person equals entry dot split. So person becomes this value, that is fine. This is it. Now correct name is an empty string. I'll just complete this, students. It's an empty string. There is no space over here. Okay. Next, for I comma name in enumerate person. So 0, 1, 2. Correct name equals correct name plus name dot capitalize. So this is name dot capitalize. Already it is capitalized, but if we take it for all the entries, every entry will be entered in the correct way and our code will also be simple. Already it is capitalized. Okay. Next, and after this, I'm also adding a space, right? So correct name will be like this. Ajay followed by a space. Next time it is Vikram. Okay. So Vikram also, it is going to capitalize and it will become Ajay, already space was there, Vikram, and a space will be added after this. Last is Singh. Ajay, Vikram, and Singh. And a space over here. So there is a space. So I need to remove this space. For this, I have used R strip. So if I use R strip, that means STLJ, that is this value, STL0, it will get replaced by the correct form. Same way for the next entry, Khushi Khan, everything is correct. Only thing this will be ambiguously. This loop will be executed even if it is correct. Okay, यही काम होगा उसमें. And STLJ equals correct name. तो ये इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है. Okay. Only thing, some extra lines of code are also going to be executed when they are not needed. Okay, if you want to work on that, then you'll have to use a lot of if conditions to remove that. Next is Yashi Shergill. Again, the first one is not capitalized, so it will be capitalized, stripped and added. Okay, then last one, Raman Rajput, stripped and added. So is this all those who have done the dry run, have you got the correct answer from this? Is there any discrepancy in this code? Please tell me. And take some time to check it. Yes, students, give me some feedback at least. Pradyum, Chirag, Rajdeep, Shashwat. Is it working? It should work. Okay. So now that we have discussed these three things, these three functions, Rajdeep and Krishanshu are going to take up this as the base for your project. Okay. इसी को और आगे बढ़ाओ और आज इसी पे डिस्कस करोगे आप दोनों. Is it clear? Okay, so we end today's class over here. I hope you have seen the offline lecture yesterday in which I had sent two programming questions. Okay, so two programming questions in Python and MySQL connectivity was sent to you yesterday. Those who have not seen that, please watch it again. Okay, and this whole month, whatever days are left, I'm just going to send you such conceptual questions only. Okay, discussion of conceptual questions. Please practice at your end, right? And also try to submit all documents on time. So thank you everyone.